Thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Andrew, and today we're going to talk about 5 things going on in crypto today. Um, First of all, if you like this channel, this content, please like, share, and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. It looks like the broader markets are down. Bitcoin sitting at $36,000, Ethereum at 25. Binance coin down 12% on the week. Cardano moving up into 1, 2, 3, top 5 for Cardano, still down 10% for the week, and XRP down as well, still on the week. So still a lot of red for the week, but there are some green. Uniswap up a modest 4% on the week. Total Bitcoin dominance is actually had come down, and now it looks like it's moving back up actually. So it looks like on the RSI we may have had a little double bottom, as you can see right there. So we can maybe expect Bitcoin to make moves by comparison to the altcoins this in the near future. It does look like it did double bottom. First thing going on in crypto today, obviously, is the once every month we have the Bitcoin options expiring. So they are going to expire today. Expect a lot of volatility, as normally it's either it's during the weekend, a big sell-off, and then a big buyback to try to cover for the least money possible. A lot of crazy ups and downs for all the time when the options expire. So you can expect that today and into the weekend until the traditional markets open back up. It says a short-term Bitcoin bull run may be underway, with 55,000 Bitcoins options expiring today, leading to a 40% open, 40,000 open position at a 130 million spot price. The market could be in for a short-term bull rally, as the market's currently down below that. So people try to buy the price up, right, so that others have to cover. We'll see what happens today. We could be in for a pretty volatile day. I would expect it, because the weekends, just don't trade during the weekends is probably the best advice. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, but not even trading during the weekend is probably the best advice anyway. So, second thing happening in crypto, Icahn is possibly considering a $1.5 billion investment in crypto. So I guess move over Elon Musk, right? We got Icahn now. Hopefully he doesn't tweet as much as Elon does. But so if you're not aware, Icahn is looking to add 1.5 billion crypto into his portfolio. It could be really good news for the crypto market as a whole, and we could see it run. I think there'll be more and more and more billionaires and public figures joining us in the crypto markets as we move along in this run. I don't expect it to stop with Elon Musk and Icahn. So I think, although his investment has not happened yet, I think he may be one of these people buying up this current dip, right? So if you were scared out during this dip, it's very possible that, you've been played, as we have people like Icahn and, different billionaires buying up the Bitcoin price. So we should expect that the bull market would continue. I don't think that they would buy in at the end of the bull market. If anything, I think that they would probably have bought in on opportunities when the market was down. Third thing going on in crypto today, NFL legend Tom Brady definitely has invested in crypto. So here we have another key figure investing in crypto. Tom Brady, big Super Bowl champion, says he doesn't see crypto going away. Correct. Crypto's not going away. And as for which coins he owns, because he definitely owns some, he said the 7-time Super Bowl champion didn't say. yeah, you know, he's experienced in crypto, or maybe had some advice when investing in crypto. Hopefully he's a little bit diversified. A lot of people do like a 80%, 90% investment in Bitcoin and then the rest in the altcoins. So I guess we will see. Either way, good for him. There's just more and more and more news of, famous athletes, billionaires, different people buying into the crypto industry. It is not going to go away, and I think it's just going to continue in the future. And more people will continue buying it. And these people, I believe, not financial advice, obviously, but I believe in the future, people who are invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., are going to be extremely happy and extremely wealthy 5-10 years down the road. So hopefully everyone gets their investment into crypto before this thing actually really goes completely mainstream. I still think it's early. I still think we're early adopters. We don't even have an ETF in the US yet, so we're still really early. So do like Tom Brady and get yourself some crypto. Third thing going on in crypto, Cardano is holding steady ahead of smart contracts rollout. So if you are familiar with Cardano, I have a big position in Cardano. They are releasing smart contracts with their Alonzo hard fork coming up. It is scheduled. There was a schedule for Alonzo to be completely rolled out at the end of September. So this says the hard fork combination event referred to as Alonzo will be used to implement the feature smart contracts starting in June, so starting now, and leading up to full deployment in September 2021. So it's starting now and it's going all the way until September. They're expecting it to be completely released, I would imagine, September 1st, but it doesn't mention that. So it's being worked on right now. It's being released. So a lot of people are expecting Cardano to make a very similar move to what Ethereum did way over here when it just, let's check out, Ethereum USD. Where's it, my Ethereum USD? To what Ethereum did here, right? So Ethereum basically from the end of April, all of May, pretty much end of April, pretty much all of May, except for now, April. Okay, so for 2 weeks in May, not all of May, but it just went on a huge run, right? All the way from, 2,200, all the way up to 4,400. So that is a gigantic move. A lot of people are expecting a similar move for Cardano. So let's check out Cardano. I think that this move, we've already hit that $2. It looks like we're almost up $2.46. I would assume that another move for if we were to do similar, we would probably go up and break the $5 mark based off of the hype. Would basically price doubling, right, is what Ethereum did. So if we were to double our 246, we'd probably hit at about $5 by the September. It might be a run up the news, right, where the price runs up, sell the news type of event. So I would expect a run up prior to the September completion date. So probably July and August are going to be pretty good for Cardano, but the whole market should be doing well, not just Cardano, but we do expect good things for Cardano. In more additional news, we have Uniswap founder says V3 could make liquidity mining a thing once again. So if you are invested in Uniswap, you know that it's an automated market maker on the Ethereum blockchain. They don't have liquidity mining program currently for version 3, but they should be running a liquidity mining program again. in short order its founder says, which is really good because it helps with the yield farming, obviously. So if you're unfamiliar with it, liquidity mining is the kind of yield farming in which users of a decentralized finance product earn an additional token on top of the regularly expected yield just for putting assets into a liquidity pool, hence the term liquidity mining. So it's a real good thing because most people who are using Uniswap using Uniswap, obviously you do it for liquidity mining, and you farm and you earn money off your tokens, you stake them, etc. And without that in version 3, it's kind of not defeating the purpose, but it's great that they're going to bring it back. I think a lot of people are happy that they're going to bring that liquidity mining back to Uniswap. In additional super awesome news, Bank of Canada says a digital currency would be greener than Bitcoin. So Canada has been pretty, I want to say crypto friendly, but that's maybe not the correct word for it. Canada, we have ETFs. I think there's 3 or 4 ETFs for Ethereum already trading on the Canadian Stock Exchange. There are Bitcoin ETFs trading on the Canadian Stock Exchange. Canada is considering putting a digital currency, their digital Canadian dollar, in place. And they continue to be extremely, I want to say not friendly, but crypto savvy, I suppose. It looks like these are all things that Canada is moving towards. An additional shout out to Canada, Vancouver, a place in Canada, is a rental platform, embraces crypto craze, and is letting its tenants pay their rent with Bitcoin. So just another place, another entity accepting crypto in Canada. So Canada continues to be forward-thinking, forward-moving. There's a word like this for crypto. And accepting it for rent, moving to a digital Canadian dollar. All these things are pretty good. This is all going to lead to every country. I think every country will have their own digital currency at some point, their digital form of the dollar. So the Canadian dollar, the US dollar, it's all going to be digital soonish. This is the way the world is moving, and this is it's the future. It's what's going to happen. So I would expect more countries to follow suit. And if you're ahead of the game, you invest in crypto, because crypto is where it's at. These digital dollars, they can still, deflate and inflate their currency as much as they want, but Bitcoin is hard money. I think we're moving to a world where Bitcoin is the reserve currency. It is hard money, and they issue their digital dollars. Each country will issue their digital dollars from that. But that's all that I have for today. Again, if you like this content, hit me up with a share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.